storage full again? Let's fix it in minutes without deleting your favorite apps. In today's guide, we tackle the common problem of limited Android storage using practical, easy-to-follow steps that will empower you to reclaim your device and enjoy faster performance. First, open the Files by Google app and tap the Clean tab to begin removing junk and temporary files automatically. This powerful tool scans your storage, highlights unnecessary files, and offers to clear them quickly. It acts as a reliable friend, freeing up space by eliminating clutter so that your phone works smoothly. Next, address hidden cache files. Navigate to your settings, select Storage, and then tap on Apps. Look for large apps that accumulate cache over time and tap to clear their cache. Clearing these temporary files does not delete your personal data. Instead, it instantly reveals extra space, sometimes as much as 1 or 2 gigabytes. This step empowers you to take control of your storage and keep your device running efficiently. Then, move your media files to the cloud. Open Google Photos and select the Free Up Space option. This step backs up your cherished photos and videos while removing local copies from your device. By transferring visual memories to the cloud, you keep them safe and create a smoother experience with more available storage for essential apps and tasks. Finally, remove unused applications. Browse through your app list and notice those you haven't opened in months. When you choose to uninstall apps that no longer serve you, you not only reclaim valuable space, but also improve your phone's responsiveness. This step clears the way for organized and efficient storage management. In conclusion, regularly following these steps will ensure your Android device stays fast, responsive, and clutter-free. Through the simple use of Files by Google, eliminating hidden cache, backing up media, and getting rid of unused apps, you transform your phone into a more efficient companion. Try these quick steps once a week and witness the positive change in your device's performance. Subscribe to Daily Skills AI for more mobile and AI hacks and empower yourself with smart, everyday tech solutions. Master these techniques to boost performance and reclaim total control of your digital life. Embrace these steps now for an even smoother, happier phone.